from Fabric Mart. Today, let's talk about our Filters feature on our website for desktop. To start, hover over our Shop tab and click on the All Fabrics page. For more on our Shop tab, find the link for that video in the description. Our filters now appear on the left-hand side. If you want to scroll, browse, and have bigger default pictures of our fabrics, go ahead and click on the Filters button on the right-hand side to collapse the filter menu. Okay, let's start with main color. Click on Load More, and you'll find all our available colors listed here in alphabetical order. If yellow's your thing, click on the box next to yellow, scroll down, and click Apply Filters. Okay, here's everything yellow that we have. Now, something that we do at Fabric Mart with colors is discern the most dominant color if there are additional colors. For example, you'll see some fabrics here with mostly yellow and some white. If there are more than 3 colors in a fabric, we'll typically put that fabric here in our multi or multicolor category. Let's quickly look at those. First, you'll get rid of the yellow fabrics either by clicking the X in the yellow filter box or clicking the Clear All button next to the Apply Filters button. Now, select main color again, select multi, and apply the filter. Here are our multicolored fabrics of all types. While we're here, let's say you want a nice soft double brush knit that is multicolored. Or maybe a shirting fabric. Okay, let's try starting our search with content. Let's say you want something that's 100% linen with a plaid pattern. Okay, 3 fabrics. Or maybe you want a fabric that's 100% cotton, that's also a jersey knit, with some sort of a paisley pattern. Alright, this time we'll start with type. Maybe you're looking for an interlock twist yarn or ITY knit fabric. And you want it to be green. Or you want a chiffon that has some sort of an animal print on it. Or maybe a quote weight cotton fabric. That's also for kids. We also have a weight category. Maybe you're just looking for something heavy. Sorry, that was fun. Okay, this time let's try selecting more than one filter for a single search. Let's say you want a denim that's black. Aha, looks like we don't have that at the moment. You'll just have to keep checking back every day until we do. Okay, let's try a challis that's purple. Okay, cool. Alright, let's say you don't want purple. We'll toggle off the purple filter, and here are all the challis fabrics. In our stretch category, Yes provides fabrics that indeed have elastic fibers, such as spandex or lycra, to allow for stretch and recovery. No yields fabrics without those elastic fibers. And mechanical stretch, referring to fabrics with a natural stretch due to its construction like a knit or a weave pattern, without the addition of elastic fibers, allowing for some give and flexibility. And finally, we have width range, to filter out fabrics even more. Okay, let's say you want a blue, 100% cotton, jersey knit, floral print, lightweight fabric that has some mechanical stretch and is at least 60 inches wide. Look at that. Thank you, filters. And finally, I want to show you our filters for our sewing patterns. Hover over our Shop tab and click on Sewing Patterns. You can filter out by pattern company, such as Cashmerette Patterns, Closet Core Patterns, Grainline Studio, Megan Nielsen, Pamela's Patterns, and True Bias, for examples. Outside of companies, let's just say you want to make a dress. Click on Project Type, select dresses, and apply filters. And here are all of our patterns for dresses from all companies. Let's say you're looking at your stash and you're like, wow, that's a lot of knit fabrics. If you click on Suggested Fabric, click on Knits, and here are some ideas to get a new project started. And if you're like me, who has no idea what he's doing and talking about, filter out by difficulty. I'm definitely a beginner. And that's how you use our filters. If you have any more questions or concerns, leave us a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. We are grateful for your support, and we thank you for shopping with us at Fabric Mart. Keep sewing. See you soon.